One mistake in this hidden step could mean your parents are denied aged care. Here's how to avoid it. Most people don't realize that completing the My Aged Care form correctly is critical. It's not just paperwork, it's the start of the assessment process, and one missed detail could mean your parents are denied care. The first part of this form, called the screening stage, focuses on everyday tasks but not medical issues. If you skip over details about daily struggles like preparing meals or getting dressed, your parents might be found ineligible. This is where most people get it wrong. They focus on big health problems, but not the smaller daily activities that matter most in this step. But without the right information, your parents might get denied care or placed at a lower priority. Here's how to get it right. Number 1 is review the 12 activities of daily living, tasks like walking, bathing, and preparing meals. Step 2 is observe your parents. Can they do these tasks completely on their own? And step 3 is take notes and provide examples of where they struggle. Don't let a small mistake derail your parents' journey.